The light will turn on if the battery in water.
Kartu petunjuk keselamatan terdapat di dalam kantung kursi di depan Anda. Kami mohon Anda membacanya dengan seksama sebelum pesawat tinggal landas. Bila Anda membutuhkan
Collection card of this aircraft is available in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully before takeoff. If there is anything that we can do to make this flight more enjoyable to you, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you for the kind attention, and we wish you a very pleasant flight. Passengers, in preparation to take off, please fasten your seat belt and make sure your seat back is upright, the table is stowed, and your window shade is up. Thank you.